Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
As you can see, my husband works in IT, and having all of his monitors at the same level is so helpful for him. So this laptop stand by obVus Solutions was really helpful in elevating one of his laptops so that it could be the same height as all of his other monitors. I like that it's very durable and strong, but it is lightweight and easy to carry around, so if I need it in the house, when he's done working, I can just grab it and it's easy to transfer. It's easy to adjust. You just bend it however you want. It is so adjustable, so no matter where you're sitting, how you're standing, this is an extremely ergonomic piece of equipment. I was also thoroughly impressed with the grips on this. So there is 5 grips around on the laptop stand to hold your laptop or tablet in place. And if I shook this thing, my laptop doesn't move. I was very impressed with how well it kept itself in place. It even has a little cell phone holder so you can have your laptop, tablet, and cell phone all right there, all within view. Again, the quality of this is very nice. When you are sitting at a desk all day, ergonomics can be so important on making it where you don't get fatigued or sore. This laptop stand is a must-have if you work at a desk on a laptop.
But that's just my point of view.